Hello guys, and welcome to Vegan with Soul. As you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, but I've been in Charleston for 2 weeks. I've been away from my man, my bed, my kitchen, and I'm so glad to be back. I just want to say thank you to all of you guys who have already subscribed to my channel, and for those that stop by every week and you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and consider doing so. Doesn't cost you a thing. Just show me some love, share it, and hit that notification bell, guys. So today, I'm going to make pizza. Vegan pizza from scratch. So stay tuned. For my pizza dough, I use 2.5 cups of bread flour because it makes your crust crispy. If you use all-purpose flour, and some people do use self-rising flour in combination with all-purpose flour, well, that makes your dough a little chewy. I prefer crunchy, so I use bread flour. And after I kneaded it for about 5 minutes, I let it rise for 10. For my pizza sauce, I used 1 can of fire roasted tomatoes and a jar of pizza sauce. To that, I added onion powder, garlic powder, which is about a half a teaspoon of pepper, and 1.5 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Yes, I like my sauce a little chunky, and I have to put my spin on it, guys. It's good. I noticed that if I put my cheese on anything, my vegan cheese, on anything that I bake at the beginning, that it tends to dry out. So I waited till the end and I added my cheese. It's good. My pizza, I never made homemade pizza ever, okay? My mother made it, but I think it was from a box. So, my pizza is crunchy. All the vegetables cook perfectly, so they're not overdone. I have a little crunch on all the veggies. And that almond cheese, as you can see, it melted. Look at that. It melted so good. I'm impressed. Look at that. See that cheese? See that? See that? That's almond cheese. A cow did not die. For my cheese. What you think, babe? Oh, yeah. It really is. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching Vegan with Soul. If you like this video, we need thumbs up. And if you are a passerby, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know next time I upload my video. Thank you guys so much for watching Vegan with Soul, and I'll catch you next time in my kitchen. Bye. It's tasty.